Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12 FS and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the video mode, but it does not really matter. What I wanted to show you are the grid lines. I've applied them before the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. To reset the settings, we have to open the settings. So in the right upper corner, this 3 bars icon, and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults and tap on Restore Defaults again. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.